So we went through another weekend, but unfortunately this weekend we couldn't get away to another car show. I was helping a neighbor pick out another vehicle for himself, which stay tuned for all those future episodes coming up. But in this episode, I'm going to share some of the photos that we have taken for the past car shows and let me know what you guys think. I am working on my automotive photography, so let me know which build is your favorite, and I will go through and point out what I liked about this build and why that picture really stood out to me. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into these cars. So lately on the weekend, I've been getting away from the wrenches, putting them down, and getting around like-minded individuals that take care of their vehicles and love showing them off. So in this episode, we are walking through a few of those vehicles that I have taken some automotive pictures of at these shows. So let me know which one do you like and what modification on that vehicle you like. So let's get into it. The first vehicle up is this beautiful Chevrolet Impala. The wheels tucked like they are, the engine taken care of, it's chromed out, just beautiful, sitting the way it is. You just see the wheels tucked like they are. I mean, if you know the year of this Impala, please let me know in the comment section, because you can just tell this has to be the 60s, late 60s, has been taken care of to the max, and I absolutely love it. The chromed out wheels all the way lowered down. This has to be on air ride suspension, but you can just tell from the classic feel of this Impala. I absolutely love it. It takes me back to the Southwest, Arizona, South Cali kind of feel, and I absolutely love it. The interior was mint as well, taken care of, and it was driven to the show, which is absolutely amazing. This Lamborghini caught my eye, not because it's a Lamborghini or it's purple, but because of that carbon fiber flake that the owner used. Really caught my eye, especially when you do a close-up of the emblem right there. You see the carbon fiber flake, and they have taken a lot of time or a lot of money to actually get it to look this way. They not only did the hood, they did the bumper as well. Some other pieces on the Lamborghini were also done, which was absolutely amazing. The next one up is a personal favorite, is the Holden conversion. I was told this is a Chevrolet model, an Impala, and I think it looks incredible with this conversion. The hood looks very aggressive with the scoops on it. The Holden conversion really changes it from just a basic Chevrolet to something exotic for us to see at the car show. And that's what I really liked about it, was the Holden conversion. It's something different. It wasn't just a normal Impala that you would see. The next is this beautiful Chevrolet. I believe it's a C10. If you know the specific model, please let me know. This takes me back to the early 2000s, was when mini trucking was at its prime in every car show. The graphics on the side to the tucked wheels, just absolutely beautiful. The engine was taken care of as well. The body on this Chevy is just amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think about that one. This one is owned by a local, and it is an Infiniti, and I absolutely love that hood with the plexiglass. You see right through it. You see the engine. You see the scoops. It is all carbon fiber. This person has really taken a lot of time and dedication into this Infiniti, and everybody knows the Infiniti was the Skyline before the Skyline was able to come into the States, but this Infiniti owner put some serious time into this, and I absolutely love it. It is definitely an eye catcher. There is the owner right there, Gerardo. If you know him on Instagram, tag him. He has got a beautiful vehicle. Hats off to you, Gerardo. Next, we went to the Tuner Evo show. I ran into this Mustang, and it looks aggressive from the headlights to the hood to the wheels to the wide body kit. This thing just looks mean. It could totally lose a race, and I think it would still be the meanest one out on the streets. But definitely a very mean Mustang right there. This BMW caught my eye with the headlight deletion to pull in more air into that turbo. Beautiful headlight deletion, carbon fiber as well. This BMW owner, hats off to him, is local owner OG Try. If you know him on Instagram, definitely tag him, give him a shout out. I love the wrap that OG Try has on his BMW. Is eye-catching no matter what day you catch it on. It can be a sunny day, it can be a cloudy day, it can be a rainy day, it can be any day. And this BMW looks absolutely amazing. The wrap just really grabs your attention when it's coming through the parking lot or when it's parked. You see this guy coming, and I absolutely love it. I got an amazing picture of this vehicle at the Cars and Coffee Chesapeake a few weeks ago when it was raining, and right there, the rain set this vehicle off, from the reflection on the pavement to the reflection on the paint. It was beautiful. Now, this Volkswagen Bug, I had to take a picture of this, not only because it's the Rally Baja edition, but this thing looked absolutely mean with the little mouse turn knob on the top to the Baja and that engine the way it is. Look at that thing just looks mean. I do not drive a Volkswagen Bug myself, but I would take one for the team and drive that one. This Nissan 370Z, absolutely beautiful. Got a picture of this one. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will see you at the next car meet. All right, so I helped my neighbor come pick up this van for $1,200. It has the V8 Trident in it, which I know. Same engine as the Expedition, spark plug nightmare. Prepare for the worst always, because I know he's going to ask me to work on it. And you see that blue exhaust coming out of the exhaust right now. Blue smoke, not a good sign. It means it's burning oil. So how is it burning oil? We will have to find out. I'll talk to my neighbor when we get back to the marina about it. But let me know in the comments, guys. Are you looking forward to the episodes that comes off this project? I know the Trident is a famous engine for being a hard time for mechanics. So let me know in the comment section down below.